First go, trade testing to the reboot. And look, these players got fired and they're in jail. See? Look, they're in jail. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Look at them. How they got fired by doing abusive stuff? And now, bad/final losers prison. This is when all the bad people go when they get fired. And when they get fired, they'll never ever work with us again. And that's how these guys got even Nick Rinks. What did he do? So that's how none of these guys got in jail. So, me and my friend, he's actually into like surface thing on your head. I got the hat. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, that hat looks so extremely cool. That hat looks good. Look at this. Look, I own the hat. It's just a boat box. And here on the major of the game. Oh, some of that's Lincoln, aka Chris Gaming. There you go. Holy! What is these engines? What is those locomotives? I don't know if they're in the game. I don't know who. Why is it like derailed? Why are they derailed? Here's the normal version of this locomotive. Oh, never mind. This is the Grand. What on earth? Who is this? I don't know what they are, but that's pretty cool. I like it. Well, the locomotive looks pretty good, but for some reason, why they're there and why they derailed and why they're not in the tracks. What is that book of steam? What is that big pile of steam coming out?
Sure, me though.
This guy criminal train. The Polar Express. Wait, you got it? Wait, he followed me. He got that game pass. See what it kills me when I go to the door. Then I will show you. If he goes to the door, he dies. I told you so. And I got the game passes. Okay, snow person. Okay. Snowpiercer. Okay, that's my name is the theme song. Okay, no, that's yours. Look at this. I don't even make the piston rods while on the locomotive. Oh no, Snowpiercer's not real. It's just a custom engine.
Just tell Mom and Dad I love you.
And here's Big Alice. Big Alice in the front. I cannot find the car. And I got the D-Score. Coco 49. I'm here it comes. Okay, this is for monkey boy though. This is math book, so when he's shooting. And I think Big One is an admin train, so I'm not gonna deal with him. I think OG is a admin train, so I'm not gonna mess with him. So I'm gonna get banned from this game. No. Casey joined the country crab train. Look, I'm coming. Here comes this engine. Hurry! Yeah, one day I might turn back to a USA Guacamole. I'll turn back to its normal state. The first time to teleport to the map. Oh, the ball! What do you done? Bruh, Red. Dude, what are you done? If they see you have using that without the Game Pass permission, you're toast. You're toast. You're done for. Bruh, Red. Bruh, he broke him. He just. Well, Rip on Express, bro. Rip. Okay, now it's like.
Sweet! Make a wish. I wish I had 6 eyes.
Not gonna happen.
1, 2.
No, 3.
Maybe you have to
I
wait.
don't really want to see
I wish
it
I
again.
had 6 eyes.
Okay. Yeah, that's my friend.
2.
No second eye.
Oh, this magic wand is weak.
Magic wand.
I'm not even real. Even just trying to be that. Yeah, I mean, this game was pretty fun. Yeah, and
With your ignorance.
Okay, then the Snowpiercer and Big Alice. Why Big Alice say face backwards and Snowpiercer face forward? Big Alice. Okay, I'm gonna try. My friend needs those table.
Perhaps you have noticed my magic wand and my cape. Don't have a cape. I wish for a cape. You're like ridiculous. You leave me no choice, sir. I wish.
He's a model railway.
I wish you look ridiculous. Horrible! Get it out! Get it out! Cover your eyes, woman! No! Put it back on! Put it back on! And I wish White's head was a melon. No! I wish you would fly away out of my sight. Oh, you dare to doubt the all-powerful Bunny Warrior!
Well, it's time to rent this game and love to leave the station.
Mr. Dad's telling me. Maybe it's time we told him the truth. But if we tell him the truth, he's gonna get upset like when he was a boy. Ah, you're right. I know. We're gonna have to take the wand back.
Oh no. Oh god, the other train's coming. What's gonna... Oh god. Oh god.
I wish.
This has gone on long enough.
What are you doing here?
This wand, it has made you evil. We're taking it back.
You think that you mere mortals have the power to challenge me?
And there goes the train.
You dare!
That brought us to the map, and these engines are back here. And those engines are...
Can't you see what you've become?
I can see perfectly clearly. I have become.
Okay. What is this? What is that smoke out for it?
Reverse spell!
You overtaken has power it. No, it's more like playing it.
Here comes this... Pause! Polar Express is coming. Polar Express is coming. Now, I cannot hear the whistle sound. Get the Polar Express. It looks kind of cool. Look at this. The Polar Express looks nice. It looks. Look at this. Well, I can't blow the whistle. Dang it. Oh, the bell. I just done my wrong. The new port dinosaur. One in the world. Oh wait, this is some of the game passes and not released yet.
We've got something to tell you.
What's going on? Why have you stopped?
That one's a fake. It's just a plastic toy free from a cereal packet.
What nonsense! If that's true, how do you explain this? Oh!
It was us. We've been making it happen right from the start. I hope you're not mad at us.
You mean you two kids spent the whole day making incredible
God.
wishes come true? You did that all for me?
Of course.
Even when I made your butt kiss his face and his
I think the train's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Da-da-da.
If you were making my wishes come
Ooh,
true, doesn't
7.
that wonder, the wonderful wand of wonder is a fraud?
Yeah.
Oh, I used it. Oh, he's using it. Up. I think the Polar Express is coming. Oh, oh gosh. Okay, here it comes. Oh my god, what just happened? It crashed again. It broke again. It broke again. How is it possible? Well, if I was him, just slow this engine down, and now the tender will break off. But now he just made it too fast, and I don't know what he did. Bruh, I wish he just... Bruh, the creator, are you watching this? It's still going! You're watching this? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't burn me. It's not my fault. It's my friend's fault, I guess. But I'm not blaming him, man. I'm just telling you. My friend did this by accident, on accident. And he's just using my game passes when I actually use. And he's borrowing my game passes.
He's not robbing us. We're the bank. It's our job to rob him.
Oh, right. Okay.
Drop your mortgage in the bank.
It's still going. Oh no.
We'll come for them next.
Do it. It didn't fall. Oh my god, the Polar Express is like, Polar Express. What my tender have is just no put on the ground, but I'm not going to get these kids to the North Pole. Holy cow, this train is actually just don't wanna. Don't stop believing. Oh, rip. What the hell was that? What was that sound? I got scared for some reason. I'm not.
No, they're not. They were $12,000.
Return policy.
Yep, bring them to the store and get your money back.
Why to the poor? Of course, this is time. This why to the pole? People, of course, this is the Polar Express. Run me with the Lucy, yeah. Ding ding ding. All the way. Die there with that train. That was the Polar Express. Arena. Oh my god, I'm just moving! Screw that! I'm gonna... Oh god. Oh no, it's Black Friday! Okay, no, November's is Black Friday. There we go. Why he's running away? He's Is it coming? It is! There it goes. It's moving! And how he's running away? He's on PC. To run, you gotta go on PC, press shift. But I don't, I'm on my mobile. Disneyland? It's a part of Disneyland. Disneyland. Oh. Oh no, that was like a house opening Disneyland.
Can I have a signature, please? Are you sure you're not taking this too far?
The website says once you click, you don't have to lift a finger again. Now open the box and take out the nail clippers. I ain't lifting a toe either.
Like how? This was fun. Yeah, robots do all the work.
Exactly. That's why we don't need you anymore.
There's a galaxy where a big one. Oh no. I gotta warn him. Don't use him. He's a
If you like that video, check out the
admin.
network videos down there. Subscribe to the channel, comment, like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff.
Okay, I'm back. There you go. Don't use it. It's an admin train. I got no shit how to warn him because it's the admin train. And I don't want him to get banned for this game. So I gotta warn him. Don't use the admin train. Oh god, now they just like just a locomotive. Cookie. Don't use it. It's an admin train. Really?
It's like nothing is happening to them.
Don't use it. It's an admin train. I don't know. I figured it's actually an admin train.
Abilities are endless. That's the problem.
What did he do? Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
But how did that even get in here? Maybe something will happen if you
Oh
just-
no! The death of the polar. No! Here we go. Here we go. Poor was like, I'm spent use. Oh.
You're gonna have to wax that. Yeah, it's okay. I'll just bring it.
It's the flying polar express. The flying polar express. This is oh my god, what have he done? Post was like, oh my god. Post like, you spin me right now, baby, right now. And the women, and the baddie, you spin me right now, baby, right now. And the regular,
No, I didn't mean it like that.
Oh my god, music! I'm freaking out. I'm coming home to the sales bill. Oh,
Even the weather
eat.
is boring.
Please stop. You know very
Low.
well that ain't gonna work.
Come on, I found a GS4 pack.
No,
It stopped.
because I'm 95 million miles away from you.
Yeah, well, he didn't get me either, so let's call it a tie.
GS4 pack. GS4 pack. Never mind, there's actually not GS4. The GS4 is right over there. Never mind. Look at this. Even every single wall. Who is this? What's this? Is this Jupiter? It was like Jupiter. It was like. Wait, please no, this is still work in progress. Okay, this isn't still work in progress. Don't you even dare friend the user. It's a, okay. Oh yeah. Oh, I want to drive this. Oh, I just want to drive this train. Oh, I want to drive that. That looks cool. Nice and nice.
Nothing interesting's gonna happen.
Whoa, it's a found a British. It's a USA engine. Here's 4-pack. Found the GS4 and some new engines have been added. That's maybe my big thing. What's it? Which way do we do the blower? Okay. I think I want to end the video. Oh my god, that was what? That was playing train testing on Let's Go 2 with my friend. And that game was pretty fun. And see ya! That's my new word.
Can you see it better?
No.
See ya!